Hello everyone, welcome to the Codeness. In this video tutorial, I am going to show you how to perform the CRUD operation in Node.js using the web API. So let's start with open any folder. Now you can create any folder as per your requirement. So I'm creating the customer API and performing all the CRUD operation in the customer API. So CMD, then open code. Now open the terminal and type the command npm init -y. If you type the command init y, then it will automatically come with the default value. They don't ask me, okay, what the project name and what the description. So I'm avoiding this. Just type npm init y. So as you can see, the packet.json is already created and it comes with the default value like customer name, version, description. You can edit as per your requirement. Now, second, I am going to install the web framework for building the API. So this is the Express. So type the command npm install Express. So npm install. Now, as you can see, the Express dependency is installed. Now, again, type the command npm install Mongoose for connecting with the database and MongoDBs. As you can see, Mongoose dependency is also installed. Now, type npm install .env to read the environment variable or e.env files. So you can see that install automatically. Now, next one, install npm install -d Nodemon. It requires to restart the automatically restart the server whenever you make any changes. So in this way, I have all installed all the dependencies that require in our creation of the customer web API.